Around 200 candidates appearing for the Excise Constable recruitment examination allegedly pelted stones and vandalized Pataliputra railway station in Patna over an alleged shortage of trains, prompting police to use mild force to disperse the crowd. The incident began at around 11:45 p.m. on June 13th and continued until the next day, with the examination scheduled to be held from June 14th to 17th. Railway officials maintained that adequate arrangements, including special trains, had been made and alleged that anti-social elements had infiltrated the crowd and triggered the violence. East Central Railway Chief PRO Saraswati Chandra said efforts were underway to identify those responsible, while Patna District Magistrate SM Tyagarajan stated that the stone pelters were dispersed by the authorities. Patna Zone IG Jitendra Rana said no serious injuries were reported and that an FIR would be registered against the miscreants. Bihar Minister Madan Sahni described the incident as unfortunate and said an investigation would be conducted. However, several candidates blamed that the unrest on poor planning by the railways. A candidate from Bhojpur district alleged that adequate travel arrangements had not been made, while another candidate from Saharsa district claimed that aspirants had to wait for several hours before boarding a train. The incident has highlighted concerns over transportation arrangements for large-scale government recruitment examinations. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.